Hi, this is Kara with DoMyOwn.com. Fall is one of the most important seasons for pest control. As temperatures drop, pests like rodents, spiders, and overwintering insects such as Asian lady beetles, stink bugs, and cluster flies are going to look for warm places to spend the cooler months, which is going to be often inside your home. Avoiding a few common mistakes now can help you prevent serious infestations later. That's going to save time, money, and a headache. Let's cover the top 5 pest control mistakes to watch for this fall. Number 1, waiting too long to apply your pest control treatment. Pests don't wait for freezing temperatures to arrive. They move in as soon as it starts to get cooler. That's why timing is essential, and you shouldn't wait until it's too cold to apply your treatments. You want to apply barrier insecticide starting in August around foundations, windows, doorways, and other entry points early in the season before the pests get inside. Then reapplying perimeter pest control throughout late summer and early fall according to the product label and weather conditions. Number 2, failing to seal your entry points. This is big. Even tiny cracks and gaps can let pests in. Common problem spots are going to include the foundation seams, vents, utility openings, and worn out door sweeps. If you do find these, seal them with a silicone-based caulk, steel wool, or a copper mesh. Number 3, leaving yard debris untouched. Yard clutter like leaf piles, dense mulch, and stacked firewood near your home creates perfect hiding spots for nesting areas for pests. You want to keep things tidy by raking leaves regularly and storing firewood at least 20 feet from your foundation, trimming back trees and shrubs that have limbs that touch your home or structure, and pulling back mulch about 6 to 12 inches to reduce the moisture and pest hiding spots close to the home. Number 4, skipping indoor protection. Outdoor treatments alone won't stop pests from coming indoors. Overwintering insects such as stink bugs, Asian lady beetles, cluster flies, box elder bugs, and also rodents are going to often enter through basements, crawl spaces, or wall voids. Place monitors and traps in these areas like basements, crawl spaces, utility rooms, and behind appliances. Seal up any entry point like outlets and pipes that come into the wall to cut off travel routes. You also want to use indoor dusts and insecticides as a preventative treatment. Number 5, ignoring the attics and crawl space areas. Attics and crawl spaces are warm, dark, and rarely checked, so making it ideal conditions for rodents, bats, and insects to nest and breed. So inspecting these areas regularly, place monitors and traps in attics and crawl spaces and unused areas is going to help monitor the situation. Checking the interior and exterior of the attic and crawl space for gaps and openings, and also sealing them is going to help too. Check out our videos on attic and crawl space pest control, linked below. Visit DoMyOwn.com for expert guides, professional grade products, and everything you need to tackle pest control with confidence. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to contact us with any questions.